Organic skincare. If it can be done naturally, why go for artificial means? This is the basic premise on which organic skincare works. Organic skincare is the most natural way of skincare. In fact, organic skincare was probably the first one to be used by man when it first woke up to the needs of his skin. Organic skincare is not only friendlier to skin, but also inexpensive. If exercised in the right way, organic skincare can prevent the occurrence of a lot of skin disorders, and can help keep your skin healthy and young looking for a much longer time. Organic fruits and vegetables are the most popular things on organic skincare routines, e.g. cucumber is very common in organic skincare routines. Turmeric, apple, papaya, ginger are others that find a wide use in organic skincare routines. These organic materials have a very refreshing and vitalizing effect on your skin. Almost every skincare book or guide has a section on organic skincare, including the actions of various fruits and vegetables on skin. So choose the ones that are more suitable for your skin type and start experimenting with them until you finally select the ones that are most suitable for inclusion in your organic skincare routine. It's important that you use fresh organic fruits/vegetables. Don't try to utilize the rotten ones for your skin, their only place is the garbage bin. Milk is known to possess good cleansing properties. In fact, the name of some skincare products contains the word milk in them. A combination of milk with ground oatmeal acts as wonderful cleanser. Ground oatmeal is especially good for oily skins and is a popular ingredient in organic skincare regimen. It is used in various combinations, e.g. with egg, honey, milk, and fruits, for preparation of organic facial packs. Wheat germ is another ingredient in organic skincare procedures. It is rich in vitamin E and is known for its exfoliation as well as moisturizing properties. Wheat germ, in various combinations with other organic materials, is used to prepare facial masks for normal and dry skin types. Wheat germ oil is another way in which wheat germ is used for organic skincare. Yogurt and sour cream are other organic materials that are popular for their exfoliation and moisturizing properties. Use of organic honey is also popular in organic skincare procedures. It helps in retention of moisture and helps impart a glowing look to skin. Rose water takes its place as a toner in organic skincare routines. Lavender water is popular too. Organic skincare uses combinations of various organic materials that complement each other and enhance each other's effectiveness. Moreover, these combinations are also helpful in overriding the harmful effects, if any, of various organic materials that form them. Organic skincare is really an art that, once perfected, can give wonderful results in a very cost-effective manner.